Okay, we are now solving quadratic equation by factoring when a is not equal to 1. So we have an example number 1. What are the roots of the quadratic equation 2x squared minus 5x plus 2 equals 0? So we have solution. Okay, so we are using factoring here. So we have to copy the problem 2x squared minus 5x plus 2 equals 0. Then create two parentheses, then equal to 0. Okay, factor the first term. Okay, so the easiest possible factors of first term will be 2x times x. Okay, so then we are going to list the factors of 2. So we have 2 times 1, the result is 2. Then negative 2 times negative 1, the result is positive 2. So these are the 2. So which of these two factors of 2 we're going to use, or we're going to put here inside the parentheses? So let us use trial and error method. Okay, so we have here a hint that the middle term is negative, so I think we use the negative factors. So let us put here negative 2, here is negative 1. Okay, so 2x times x is 2x squared, negative 1 times negative 2 is positive 2. So to check if our middle term negative 5x is correct, using these two factors, multiply the inner negative 1 times x, that is negative x. Okay, then multiply the outer term. Okay, 2x times negative 2, that's negative 4x. Again, multiply the inner, and then multiply the outer. Then after multiplying the inner and the outer, you're going to get the sum of these. Okay, product. Okay, so we have negative 5x. So we are going to connect the second term. So our second term is negative 5x. So the result here is negative 5x. So these two factors are now the factors of 2x squared minus 5x plus 2 equals 0. Okay, so we are going to write again 2x minus 1 times x minus 2 equals 0. So since this is correct factors, we are going to equate the two factors in 0. So we have 2x minus 1 equals 0 and x minus 2 equals 0. Then solve for x. So we have 2x equals 1. Since napatay 2 there is the left side, we're going to divide both sides by 2. This is 1. So 1 times x is x equals 1/2. So one of the roots is 1/2. The other one, so we have here x equals positive 2. So that is how we are going to solve quadratic equation by factoring when the value of a is not equal to 1. Okay, let us have another example. Find the roots of the quadratic equation negative 2x squared plus x plus 15 equals 0. So we have here our solution. Okay, copy the equation negative 2x squared plus x plus 15 equals 0. Then create two parentheses equals 0. Then we are going to factor out negative 2x squared. Okay. Factoring this one, negative 2x squared, we can factor out negative 2x squared by negative 2x times x. If we multiply negative 2x times x, the result is negative 2x squared. Okay, then list the factors of 15. So these are 15 times 1, that is equal to 15. Then negative 15 times negative 1, the result is positive 15. And we have 5 times 3, the result is 15 also. And negative 5 times negative 3, the result is also positive 15. Okay, so these are the list, or these are the factors of 15. So there are 4 pairs of factors of positive 15. So which of these 4 we are going to write in the side the parentheses? So let us use 5 and positive 3. Let us use this one. Okay. Plus 5 plus 3. So to check, let's check the middle term. The middle is x. So we are going to multiply the inner. 5 times x, we have 5x. Multiply the outer, that is negative 6x. Then get the sum. The result is negative x. So our answer is negative x. So wrong. This is not the correct factors of this one. Okay, so of this equation. So let us use another, this one. Another. So we have negative 2x minus 5 times x minus 3. Okay. Check the inner. Negative times 5, negative 5 times x, negative 5x, negative 2x times negative 3, 6x. Then get the sum. The result is x. So I think this is correct. So the second term is x. Okay. So therefore this is not the correct factor. So we have negative 2x minus 5 times x minus 3 equals 0. So this is the correct factor. Then we are going to equate the two factors into 0 to solve for x. Negative 2x minus 5 equals 0, and x minus 3 equals 0. Solve for x, we have negative 2x equals positive 5. Then divide both sides by negative 2. The result is x equals negative 5 halves. Okay, this is one of the roots. The other one, x equals positive 3.